Here's how to restart your iPhone without the power button. Now let's head into the settings first, scroll down, tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri, or it might just say Siri and search. Now there are two different ways to be able to do this on your iPhone. One way is that we can use Siri, but also there's in the settings an option to just turn your phone off without using that power button if it's broken or it's not working for whatever reason. So on here, let's tap on talk and type to Siri and make sure Hey Siri is turned on, or at least the side button is turned on. Now an easy step is just to press and hold that side button. Restart my iPhone.
Just to confirm.
And you can see just like that, it says just to confirm, do you want to restart your phone? And you can just say yes or tap on the restart button. That is the first option, but if that doesn't work for you, there is another option as well. Let's just go back out of here, all the way back, tap on general, scroll to the bottom, and you can see shutdown at the very bottom. Just tap on that shutdown button. However, after you've done that, keep in mind it will turn your phone off without using that power button. But of course, to turn it back on, you need to press and hold that power button. However, if you wanted to turn it on and it doesn't work, all you need to do is get a charging cable and physically plug in your iPhone. After you've done that for about a minute, it will automatically boot up without actually needing that power button.